Wow. Who told you coffee cannot grow in Acholi? Who told you coffee cannot grow in Acholi? This is incredible. Over 200 hectares, 1 year and 2 months. This is the farm of retired Major General Otema Awany, Lieutenant General Otema Awany. Look at this coffee. It's incredible. The British should come and apologize to us. You should apologize to us for telling us coffee couldn't grow in Acholi. Kumbe, you are planning to preserve us in the army and take our people for the King African rifle. You introduce cotton, which is labor intensive. Look at this. Incredible. Incredible work. He's a billionaire. This is billions of shillings. Acholi should embrace coffee at a fairly large scale. If every family can do 5 to 10 acres, we would say goodbye to poverty. You shouldn't wait for government to come and alleviate poverty in your home. Coffee can grow. I'll just show you. This is incredible. This is unbelievable. Coffee can grow in Acholi. Unbelievable. Look. I take it that. I am here. I thought I was a coffee farmer. I just have 5 acres and I was bragging. But this is incredible. This is incredible that coffee can be this healthy in Acholi. The British should apologize to us. The British should apologize, because after 3 years, you will be harvesting coffee every year for 50 years. The British deliberately introduced cash crops like cotton in Acholi, which was labor intensive. But this is unbelievable. In 200 acres, over 10,000 coffee stamps, and this would bring billions of shillings. Acholi Operation Wealth Creation, we should market this product of coffee in Acholi. I can't believe what I've seen in the whole of my life, the 48 years of my life. I've never seen such an extensive coffee farm. Just check the other hills. Check, you can see until you can see no more. And the beauty here, there is irrigation. These are ordinary pipes that I've laid. They sprinkle water here, and the coffee is doing very well. And congratulations. This one has started flowering, and in the next few years, you see, in the next few months, they will start harvesting coffee. And actually, don't forget, each kilogram of coffee is at 15,000 shillings. So this is just unbelievable. And actually, even General delayed to come to retirement. You should attend to this farm. Actually, we're more poor one year. Mark poor 1 year. Kere tiana pira rio mo kerdika. La ua beru mitiana. Wai du gora wai duk churon wang no man. We're more poor 1 year. Pua kok ni oh riamachan ngaya la riamchana. Riamchana. See, this one has flowered. This one has flowered. I'm even envious. I wish I'd started earlier. But it's not late. From 5 acres, I'm going to go to 10, 15, 20. I'll stop at 50 acres. That one is enough to earn me 70 million shillings a year. And what else? That's better than being a member of parliament. Thanks.